Imagine if proving who you are, paying for something, or getting approved for anything happened instantly. No forms, no passwords, no scanning your ID, no waiting days for someone to review your documents. Just a single tap and everything is verified. This might sound futuristic, but we're closer to that world than most people think. The next big shift in technology is the rise of your digital twin, a secure digital version of you that combines your identity and your money into one simple system you control. And it's going to completely change how we live online. For years, your identity and your money have lived in separate places. Your ID sits in your wallet or in your Photos app. Your personal information is scattered across websites, apps, and accounts. Your money lives in your bank or in a crypto wallet. Because everything is split up, you constantly have to prove who you are, filling out forms, uploading documents, resetting passwords, and doing the same steps over and over. Your digital twin changes all of that by bringing your identity and your smart wallet together. A smart wallet isn't just for holding money anymore. It can also store verifiable credentials, secure digital versions of information about you, like proof of age, proof of employment, degrees, licenses, memberships, and more. These credentials can't be faked, can't be altered, and can be verified instantly by anyone who needs to check them. When your identity and your money live in the same secure place, your smart wallet, things that used to take hours or days can happen in seconds. Instead of showing your full ID, your digital twin can share only what's needed. Instead of uploading documents, your digital twin can present verified information instantly. Instead of creating new passwords for every service, your digital twin can log you in securely with one simple approval. This isn't about turning you into data. It's about giving you ownership and control over your digital life. Instead of companies holding your information, your digital twin puts that power back in your hands. So how does this show up in everyday life? Let's start with something simple: applying for an apartment. Normally, you send pay stubs, ID photos, job letters, and personal details you don't want strangers to have. With your digital twin, your smart wallet can instantly prove that you're over a certain age, that you have income above a required level, and that you're employed, without revealing every detail behind it. The landlord gets exactly what they need, nothing more. Travel becomes easier too. Instead of carrying paper documents or jumping between apps, your digital twin can store verified travel credentials, visa confirmations, and other requirements. At a checkpoint, you tap once, and the system verifies what's needed in seconds, not by scanning a PDF, but through cryptographic proof. Even signing up for online services changes completely. No more usernames, no more passwords, no more forms asking for the same information every time. Your digital twin can verify your identity with a single tap. And because the information is verified, you don't have to deal with endless confirmation emails or security checks. This also improves safety in a big way. With selective disclosure, you only share what's required, reducing the risk of identity theft. With verifiable credentials, fake documents become nearly impossible. And because your digital twin lives in your smart wallet, you no longer need to store sensitive information across dozens of websites. What's exciting is that pieces of this technology already exist. Standards for digital identity are live. Smart wallets are evolving fast. Governments and major companies are beginning to adopt these systems. Slowly, our messy online world will shift into something cleaner, faster, and far more private, where your digital twin handles the complex parts so you don't have to. This combination of digital identity and smart wallets is just the beginning. It's part of a much bigger shift toward a digital world where things simply work, faster, safer, and with far less friction than what we're used to today. As these systems evolve, more parts of our online lives will become easier and more connected, and you won't need to be a tech expert to take advantage of it. In the next episodes, we'll keep exploring how these changes fit together and what they mean for your everyday life, your money, and your future in a digital world that's rapidly taking shape.